Okay, for this question, a charity organization received donations of $18,000 in June. This was a 20% increase from the amount received in May. What was the amount? What amount in donation did charity organization receive in May? Okay, so this $18,000 is an increase. So when I say increase means you have to add the usual. So usually, so we have May and June, right? So let me just list down May and June. So in May, it will be the usual. Usual means 100%. That's how I actually represent the May, because there's no increase. But in June, there is an increase of 20%. So June is 100% plus 20%. This will be 120%. Okay, this 120% is $18,000. So what I want to know is how much is this 100%? So 1% will be 18,000 divided by 120. Leave it as it is. Okay, then I want to find my 100%. 18,000 over 120 times 100. Now it's time for me to cancel or solve this one, all right? Cancel the zeros here. Then I have 12 and I have 10, okay? I can divide by 2, I get 6. I divide by 2, I get 5. 18 and 6 can be divided by 3. Divide by 3, I get 2. Divide by 3, the whole thing, I get 6,000. Divide by 2, 1. Divide by 2, 3,000. I'm left with 3,000 times 5. I get $15,000. This is correct. Okay, good. Okay, Wan-Lee baked some muffins for sale. He sold 60 muffins in the morning. In the afternoon, he sold 3/8 of the remaining muffin. Then he had 50% of the total number of muffins left. How many muffins did Wan-Lee bake? Okay, we know that the remainder is 8 units from here. This 3/8 units. This is my total remainder, right? Then this is what he sold in the afternoon. Don't copy down yet. I see hands, pens moving. Listen. I give time for you to copy. Listen. Listening and understanding is more important than copying. So he sold this 60 in the morning. This one I do not know how many parts. Okay. So what I can do is I can draw out my 8 parts first. I draw my 8 parts. 1, 2. Okay, not even. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my remainder, right? Then I want to put in my 60. So before that, let's move on first. Then he had 50% of the total number of muffins left. 50%, if I were to convert it, it will be 50/100. Convert to fraction. And then if I were to convert it, I reduce and simplify, I get 5/10. Now, which means the whole model here is actually out of 10 units. So you can see this is my total. This is because they say 50% of the total. So this is my total muffins. Okay, so this is what he had left, 5 units left. All right, let's look at the model here. I do not have 10 units yet, right? But I can add on. So this is my adding on. I'm adding on 2 more to make it 10. There. All right, so I have 10, which means this is what he sold in the morning. Okay, then he had 5 units left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is left. All right. This is what he sold in the afternoon. Right, so now I have all this information. I'm putting in the units. Left is 5 units, afternoon is 3 units, morning is 2 units. Now I want to know how many muffins did Wan Li bake, the whole thing. Now from where can I get the units and the value conversion? This one. So 2 units is 60. 1 unit is 60 divided by 2. 30. I want to find everything that will be the total, which is 10 units. 30 times 10 equals to 300. That's your answer. Correct.